let's look at this question. It says we should express this in form of this. Okay? That is, whatever you're going to get from here should contain the square root of 5 and the square root of 3. Let's start. The first thing you need to do, if you see anything like this, as I've been saying, make sure that this denominator, there is no square root. And the only way you can do that is you have to use the conjugate of this denominator to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Let me show you. So this is a question 1 over the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3. You multiply the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. This is the conjugate. That is, everything here the same, but you change this one to minus. Okay? You also divide it by the same thing. Because we want a situation whereby when you divide this by this, you have 1. And 1 multiplied by this will not change the original question. Okay? So this one is helping us to what? To rationalize the denominator. Okay? So let's continue now. This multiplied by 1, you agree with me, is equals to exactly the same thing. Then we multiply these two. That is the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3. Also this. Okay? The only thing that we have now is how to quickly multiply these two. I've given you the shortcut several times. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply it straight. In case you don't understand, go to our previous videos. Okay? So now, we take this and this, that is, the square root of 5 raised to the power 2, minus, we take this and this, that is, the square root of 3 raised to the power 2. Why? Because they are the same. The only difference is the sign between them. So it's easy for us to do it like this, okay? So we continue. This equals to the square root of 5 minus the square root of 3 all over. This and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. Remaining 5 minus 3. You agree with me that 5 minus 3 is 2, okay? So we just put 2 straight. Remember the question says that what? We should work this out in this form. As you can see, this one is on its own, this one is on its own. That is, 2 of them must be separated. Okay, now we have this here, 5. We also have this. Okay? So you can see 5 and 3. Then we need to recognize this. That is 1 over 2. Because this is over 2. Here, 2, 1 over 2. What is separating them is minus. Okay? So, this is the final answer. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Okay?